Okay, game. Oh. Para mga isang game pa. Okay, pa-jumble na. Pa-jumble nga lang. Okay, game na ha. 5 minutes, 12 seconds na.
Bali 5-5 lang.
Another. 5-3-4. 5-3-5-9. Okay, game na ha. 5-3-4. Okay, game. Pwesto na po ha. Para makaisang game pa po. Okay, game. Bahala, sisingilin kita ulo. Okay, game ha. Okay, 2 points by Inigo. To Paswell. Ang ganda ng pasa kay Garcia. To Christopher. To Garcia. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Okay. Wait lang, traveling daw, traveling. Wait lang, labas. Okay, labas na po doon. Okay, game. Kulang na. Oy! Kulang na talaga, makrap ko. To Marky, to Coaching, no good. To Pagkalinawan, 2 points by Pagkalinawan. Score 4-0. Okay, 2 points. 4-2. To Marky, to Pagkalinawan, 2 points. Grabe, nakatutuwang offense sa kay Pagkalinawan. Garcia! Oh! Sayang yun. Okay, last touch by Kochi. Hindi nakapitan, hindi po nakapitan. Dire-diretso ang bola. France, no good. Nakuha ni Garcia. Garcia to Baswell. No good. Natambuti si Christopher. 6-4. Parang laban ng game 1 to. Marty. 12 seconds to shoot. To Marky, no good. Rebound by Garcia. Ang ganda ng pasa. Magkala mo magdadang si Gian. Score 1-6. Gumagit na lang consistency na lang ang ulang. France, no good. Grabe ang hustle ni Garcia. Wow! Grabe ang ikot. Okay, good. Rebound by Pagkalinawan. No good. Hindi nadaan ang follow shot. Christopher, no good. Rebound by Marky. Ang taas ng talo ni Marky. 2 points by Pagkalinawan. 8-6. 1 minute 45 seconds. Baswell, no good. Inigo. Dinidribble to Martin, step up. Oy, sayang. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Gian. Natakot. Uy! Bago yun ha? Nice. Drop by Gian. 2 points by Christopher. All 8. 1 minute 5 seconds. First half. Marty. To Marky. Marky 3! Bang, bang, bang! Garcia to France. Okay, nakakapit si Marty. Last 40 seconds to France. France. No good. Puti, nandun si Christopher. 11-10, last 30 seconds. No good by Inigo, rebound by Christopher. Last 24 seconds. Last 18 seconds.
Magalaw, boss.
Twelve, 11. 5.2 seconds. 5.2 seconds. 2 seconds. 3. Score 14-12. Bola po na. Grabe naman yun. 14-12. Naghahabol kayo ng dalawa. Christopher. Bola. Dito. Ay, hindi. Dito. Sandali. Sino na nakakuha? Dito mo. Dito bola. 14-12. Bola po. Nila Christopher. Game na po tayo. Para makapag 8-17 pa yung kabila ng next game. Game, ha? Nice! Uy, sayang. Gian to the rescue. All 14. Marty 3! Back-back 3 by Marty. Grabe yun. Mabigat sa bulsa yun. 3! Parang hindi magpapatalo si Presa. Last touch by Christopher. Martin. To Marky. Marky 3! Grabe naman yun.
Entry,
Nice fake. Uy! Sayang. Sayang. Ang ganda naman. Grabe. Nice fake. 3! Para paligtad ang nangyayari. Pumutok po. 17-23. 3 minutes 45 seconds. Okay, last touch by Gian. 3 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, Marky, yun lang. Huwag po kayo magkapakapan. Dalawang tres lang yan ni Francis Garcia. 2 points. Boy, Basuel. Score 19-23. Okay. Sayang ang bounce shot. Inigo. Lumipad. Inigo. No good. Rebound by Christopher to France. Oy! Sayang. Inaalam po si France. Pagkalinawan, 2 points. Score 19-25. Wow! Good. France, no good. Basuel, no good. Palakas po palakas. 2 minutes, 8 seconds. Garcia, 3. 22-25. Marty, setting the play. Sino kaya ang titira? Kuchi, pagkalinawan, 2 points. Score 20-27. Grabe. Lagpas na yata sa 50 points yung ginawa ni pagkalinawan. Marty. Marty, puwersa pa. Marty, no good. 1 minute, 20 seconds. To Gian. Gian, 3! Bago yun, Gian 25-27. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Oy! Backward.
Bakit? 25-27.
Hindi po, wala naman po na issue si Marky doon. 25-27, galing po yun sa 25. Okay, 2 points, all 27. Last 50 seconds. All 27, all 27. Marky, no good to Gian. Gian. Okay, good. Wala naman tawag eh. Nice, ang ganda rin. Okay, foul. Okay, free throw na po agad. 2 free throws. 2 free throws pagkalinawan.
30 seconds. 29.
Okay. 2 free throws. First shot, no good. All lang po yan all lang. Okay. 2 out of 1.
Oras.
Last 27 seconds. Dalawa lang po yan. May 5 seconds difference sa shot clock. Baswell. Ang ganda naman nun. Nice! 29-28, 13 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Isa na po ang kalamangan, Pagkalinawan, 2 points.
Tama.
Time out. Okay, tapos na po tayo agad. 29-30. 4.7.
Isa lang lamang, isa.
Isa lang. Lamang sila, isa. Kanina lamang kayo eh. Yung tira mo eh. Nice pick. Ready na po yung maglalaro ng 8:17. Wala pong intentional na pasabit Hindi po natin tinatanggap yun. 2 seconds. Okay.
Okay, pwesto na, pre. Pasok na kayo lahat yung kasama niya. 4.